Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we are going to be learning how to change currency on Phantom Wallet app. When it comes to changing your currency on Phantom Wallet app, remember that you cannot directly do it. The Phantom Wallet is a Solana-based wallet and it shows your balance in Sol or other Solana-based tokens such as SPL tokens. Phantom automatically displays fiat in USD by default. The USD value displayed is based on the current market price of the token you are holding. Phantom only supports displaying prices in USD and you cannot change the currency displayed to another currency as of now. So I hope that clarifies you if you can change currency on your Phantom Wallet platform. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.